everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, David. Welcome, David. Welcome, David. Nice to see you, bud. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. All right, guys. Hey, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's get right into it. All right. We have a lot of information to go through this evening. All right. Markets down today. All right. So sellers are back in control. Now we moved the time frames on the indexes to the 240 yesterday. That was short-lived. All right. So we're back on the daily time frame. All right. So Dow still holding its sell short signal. Okay. So right here, Dow Jones, right? Sell short signal right here. We look to break support right here. Hopefully that happens tomorrow. All right. The Dow was down, guys, 570 points down. All right. So this should not be a surprise to any of us. All right. S&P was also down. S&P was down right here. All right. Down right here. All right. Sell short signal here. Right. Buyers try to come in. Right. Sellers came in, pushed that price lower. Okay. Very good. Same thing for the Russell. All right. Sell short signals. All right. On the daily time frame. No buy signals. All right. Even with commodities, we saw a pullback today on metals and crude oil. We'll go over those. Okay. On the NASDAQ, lots of selling here. The NASDAQ was down. What's that? 2%, guys. That's a big down day on the NASDAQ. Russell was also down 2%. Okay. All right. All right. So lots of selling here in the sectors. Okay. VIX is at 1565. We need that VIX. We do need selling. All right. So, guys, we don't care. Right. As long as we've got volatility. All right. Right. We can always close positions, but we need sellers to come in. Market is really overbought. All right. So we do need sellers to come in, push the market down. Remember, selling may and go away. All right. Just remember, right? Volatility in equity. So as the VIX moves higher, equity markets come down. That will help Forex. Okay. All right. Bitcoin. You guys know we've been talking about 64,000 mark on Bitcoin. Here's the weekly time frame. All right. We've been saying that Bitcoin needed to hold 64,000 right here. Well, guess what? Closed. Well, hasn't closed yet, but so far for the week, this is a weekly time frame. It's at 60,000. I think it made a low at 59.9. Okay, but trading now at 60,000. This is a critical area for Bitcoin. It really needs to hold, right? That 64,000 resistance right here. 2021 right here. End of 2021, almost 2022 right here. And then here we are right now, 2024. We do have near-term support right here. This yellow line right here. If we get through that line, right, that support right here, we could see Bitcoin come all the way down here. Okay, now we have some support here, right here. Stronger support right about 46,000. All right, so we could see Bitcoin, and you guys know Bitcoin will move fast. So it's got to hold here. If we get white candles this week, right? If this weekly candle turns white this week, we could see Bitcoin come much lower, but it might find support at 46,000. Okay, so far, guys, it's not holding 64,000. All right, so keep that in mind. All right. We do have sell signals. All right. So our traders trading on that daily time frame for Bitcoin should be out. All right. All right, our first buy signal, all right, most recent was 28,000 buy signal sold on the daily time frame, 40. Next buy signal, 49, and then closed here at 60,000. Red candles coming in, good support here. It looks like it might break through that support. Okay. All right. And remember, your other cryptocurrencies will follow Bitcoin. All right. Litecoin, same thing. All right. Bitcoin Cash, same thing. Sell signal came in. Right. When was that? Yesterday, right here. Ethereum, same thing. Sell signal. Okay. All right. All right. Futures, we've been watching the dollar for a break. All right. We might get that. All right. We might get that break overnight. All right. We'll take a look at the dollar pairs this evening also. Okay. So the dollar index is currently up. All right. And here it is right here. Dollar index right at resistance right here. Big candle today. All right here. Nice big candle came in today. And hopefully we break through and close above resistance. And hopefully the dollar will start moving. All right. We do have a buy signal. Right here's our buy signal. We just need a break of resistance. Now that will push the equity markets lower. All right. But our dollar pairs will move higher. I think we're short some of the dollar pairs. So we'll take a look, clean things up. All right. So big picture dollar. We need that dollar to break out right here. All right. Right. That resistance right here. Looks like we could get that soon. All right. Okay. Let's go through current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper on the 240-minute time frame. All right. 240-minute time frame. Current positions. We got a nice. Hey Solomon, welcome Solomon. Got a nice rebound on the yen pairs. You guys know the other morning New York session, not New York, but Euro session, lots of volatility. All right, some of the yen pairs closed, but I was surprised the majority of them held. A lot of volatility here. Okay, SGD JPY buy signal here. SGD JPY, that's your Singapore dollar yen. Buy signal here, broke resistance, right? Good price action here, right? Lots of volatility held, and buyers are coming back in, all right? We've got to get past resistance right here, all right, to keep moving higher. Okay, we don't count this, all right? So good price action moving higher. SGD JPY, okay? Swiss yen, all right, buy signal here, it's holding so far. Aussie yen, buy signal here, all right, holding firm. We got to get past. Now, keep in mind, I don't trade off this, but just be aware, right? As the equity markets move lower, these indexes move lower, right? That will put pressure on the yen pairs. The yen pairs will follow the equity markets, but just trade the price. Just be aware of that. Okay. So buy signal here, holding Aussie yen, pound yen. All right. Buy signal here, holding firm in the markup phase here. All right. Good break of resistance. Look at that, guys. That's why we follow support and resistance. All right. Nice clear break of resistance. Buyers came in a big way. This is for a lot of pips here. That's over almost 400 pips, guys. All right. 193 here, 196.97, almost 400 pips, and still moving higher. Next resistance here, not really resistance, but just a high right here. All right. Breaks through, it can move higher. All right. New Zealand yen, buy signal here, right? Broke resistance right here. Good price action. It did pull back quite a bit right here. Resistance is here. All right, now it's got some white candles there, but holding. The other pairs are moving higher, so hopefully New Zealand yen will continue to move higher. Okay, white candle here, holding support, holding that trend line. We just need some buyers to come on back in, all right, and continue to push higher. For right now, we just needed to hold green candles. We just need some green candles to come in, okay? So get a red candle here, all right? Get a red candle, close that trade quickly, okay? It is in profit, but it could come down quickly there, all right? Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie, New Zealand. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Purple support and resistance, but just be aware of that. Okay, previous trade, look at that, really good trade. Now it is high in the markup phase. All right, so that's why we get a ton of purple support and resistance in that area. So it is getting overbought, but that doesn't mean can't move higher. All right, Aussie Swiss. All right, close the trade, please. All right, failed to break resistance. All right, so resistance is here. Our buy signal was here. We were looking to get past resistance here. All right, close the trade. Buy signal here, hit support, right? Sell signal right here. So close the trade. This could come on down. If you guys look here, this is why we need to follow our system, right? Follow these sell signals, okay? Because what could happen, this was the previous almost identical. Look at this. Buy signal here, broke support, sell signal here. That's your white arrow here. Look at sellers came in. Buy signal here, just like here. All right. Failed to break resistance, just like here. Hit support. Here is support right here. All right. Sell signal, white arrow right here to close the trade. We could see sellers come in. All right. Just like they did here. All right. So we should be out. If buyers come back in, break resistance, we get another buy signal. We might continue with that trade. But for now, close the trade. Aussie Swiss. All right, Aussie dollar. All right, give a sell signal. All right, so buy signal was here, resistance, a lot of resistance up here. No, it didn't quite make it up to resistance. Came down here. All right, red candle. First red candle, we got to get out. All right, I wouldn't wait for the sell signal all the way down here. All right, once you see that red candle come in, all right, get out of that trade. For our experienced traders, you can fine tune that trade, right? Bring in a smaller time frame, fine tune your exit there. Okay. Aussie dollar, close that trade, please. All right. New Zealand Swiss also close that trade. Buy signal was here. It did almost reach its resistance here, right? It reaches target. Really needed to break through that resistance. Always pay attention to what's above, guys. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Strong resistance here. Sell signal, red candles, close the trade. So New Zealand Swiss. All right. All right. There'll be other opportunities. So don't stick with them. All right. Once sellers come in, get out. Buy signal here. Fail to stay above resistance here. Red candle, first red candle should be out here. All right. Sell signal out. New Zealand CAD. So we see what's going on with the Aussie and New Zealand pairs. All right. So we could see the yen pairs. I know the yen pairs are holding, but you see red here. Red's coming in here down. And these Kiwi Aussie pairs are turning down too. Same thing here. New Zealand dollar. Buy signal here. Red candle. Close the trade. Don't wait for all of this. Okay. So keep an eye on these yen pairs. Okay. They might turn around. They're holding firm now, but they could come on down. Okay. And then good profits. So try to maximize those profits. Okay. All right. So New Zealand dollar still holding that one. No, I'm sorry. That's out of New Zealand dollar. Let's close that. All right. Euro dollar, same thing here. All right, markdown phase, buy signal, really didn't get a chance to move higher. All right, broke Previous resistance becomes support. Red candle, sell signal, close the trade. Okay, so clean things up. And just remember, euro dollar, that's the inverse of the dollar pairs. So what's happening? The dollar is moving higher. Okay, so the dollar is moving higher. So we'll look at opportunities to trade the dollar long. We were in some shorts with the dollar, so we got to clean things up. Okay, all right, euro dollar. All right, close that trade. Pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Pound dollar. Let's see here. We'll close this one also. Let me show you guys what's going on. Support is here. All right. We know what's going on with the dollar, inverse dollar pairs right here. We know what's going on with the dollar. Got lower highs. Buy signal was here. Right. So we right near that buy signal there. Right near that buy signal. All right. White candles, lower lows. There's a good chance, guys, we'll get red candles. Right. Break support. Move lower, close the trade. So buy signal here, close that trade, please. Okay. Pound dollar. All right. Now we've got the pound pairs. So pound NZD, great trade going here. Now, these were trades that we sent out alerts yesterday. All right. Quick move in these pound pairs. Okay. So if you guys got into those, good job. All right. We haven't had a decent trade, not since back here in the pound pairs. All right. This trade is really a break, just a break out of support and resistance. All right. So resistance is here, support is here. We got a buy signal here. This is pound New Zealand. All right. Buy signal here, nice break. And then it's holding firm here on the 240. Okay. So pound New Zealand. All right. Pound CAD. All right. Pound CAD. Little different here, but all right. I think where was it? Right here. Resistance is right here. We got in a little early. Let's see here. And these trades are so far performing well. And we need a good run from the pound pairs. So here is your markdown. And all right. Buy signal here, breaking out nicely, 240. We might want to move this right here. Okay. See right here. Lots of consolidation in here. Look here. All right. So if it can break through here, we could see buyers really jump in here. This is pretty good resistance right here. So good price action, higher lows, higher highs, need to break through. Pound CAD. All right. Pound Swiss, almost identical. All right. So resistance is right here. Buy signal was here. All right. Bring in your trend lines. And here we are. And it is breaking resistance convincingly. Nice big candle holding firm. Need that to continue to move higher. All right. HKD. Keep an eye on HKD. If it breaks support here, might want to close it here. Bring in your smaller time frame. All right. That should, all right. That really needs to hold. Support is here. Previous resistance becomes support. So it's got good support here. We need buyers to come in, bounce off support, and move higher. Okay. So this is acting like a retest here. So we need buyers to come back in. Hopefully, it will get some momentum from the other pairs. Okay. So shorts. Let's take a look at shorts. And we had some dollar shorts. We'll probably have to clean those up. Let's see. Dollar shorts in monster scalper. All right, USD DKK. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, yes. All right, so that dollar index, remember, dollar index, here it is, right at that resistance here. It's currently up, right? Big down day in equities. Currently, futures are down in equities, right? E-minis. So, right, that dollar wants to break out. It really does now. All right, we're holding right at that resistance there. Okay, so really manage these shorts. Where are we? All right, so USD DKK sell short signal here. All right, really struggled, guys. Green candle here, sell signal. So sell short signal right here. Green candles broke resistance. Sell signal, well, buy to cover signal here. So close the trade. Okay, USD DKK. Close that trade, guys. Buyers are coming in. This is a short. Buyers are coming in. We could see buyers. We could see USD DKK get all the way back up to that resistance here. Let's draw that box. This can be very dangerous if we hold on to these trades on these reversals. Okay, so here was the short on a break of support. All right, and here it is coming back in that box between support and resistance. Green candles. All right, right? So we have a sell signal. Everything is telling us to get out of this trade. If we don't get out, right, could really get squeezed. Buyers could come in. See, they're coming in strong here and push that price higher up. So we want to get out of that short and we'll look for longs. Okay, so all right, take those small losses, even if sometimes it's a big loss. Just take them. All right, take them. Get out of that. Very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Okay. We could see something like this. Hold on. So we'll close it. But this is where we really get in trouble, right? When we are trading, we don't get out of these trades, and what should be a small loss turns into a really large loss. All right, because see right here. Hold on. All right, this is actually an upward trend. All right, here's the low. If we turn this into buy signals, I won't spend a lot of time on this, but uh, all right, so you see the buy signals coming in here. You see the low, see the low, you see the low right here. So we can get a buy signal all of a sudden, right? And see here. All right, so this short counter trend trade. So pay attention to that. All right, hold on. Okay, so USD DKK, close that trade, please. USD PLN, same thing here. Sell short signal is here. Big green candles should be out at a minimum on the first green candle here. All right, close the trade, please. USD PLN. So we see what's going on with the dollar pairs. Dollar ZAR, sell short signal here. All right, we got good support here. Almost reached. We'll count this. Count this as it reached support here. Close this trade. All right, close this trade. Sell short signal here. That's in profit. Just close it. We could see buyers come in all of a sudden. All right, we're heading back to resistance up here. Okay, so good support here, and they've held support here. Look here. They've held support here. This is where buyers came in here. Support here. Held support here. Buyers came in. Held support here. Buyers came in. Here we are at support. Good chance buyers will come in. So dollar ZAR, close that trade. And ZAR will move. We know that. So close it. Take those profits there. Okay. USD HUF. All right. Very choppy. Sell short signal here. All right. Close this one also. Okay. Clean things up. Last short. EUR ZAR. Euro ZAR. All right. Euro ZAR. Let's see here. Resistance support. Here it is at support right here. We can hold on to this one for now. Okay. But if you get, I would look at your smaller time frame. This is on the 240. I want to look at the 15, 30 minutes, see if buyers are coming in, and then you might want to close the trade because it's right there at support. So fine tune your exit there. Okay. All right. We're doing good on time. All right. Forex dominator. Forex dominator. Let's go through these. The daily time frame. We do have dollar longs in Forex dominator, so they might get a lift. All right. Swiss yen. That's holding. Buy signal here. Broke resistance. That's holding. HKD JPY. Buy signal here. Great trade going here, guys. Look at that. This is for about 500 pips. Amazing. All right. Yep. All right. Good trade going here. HKD JPY. NZD JPY. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. SGD JPY. Buy signal here. Good trade going. Okay. Holding firm. USD JPY should really get a lift with the dollar pairs. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely there. And then we have some dollar pairs. Let's see how they're doing. USD HUF, that's holding firm. With the dollar index moving higher, that should move higher. USD MXN, buy signal here, that's holding. USD NOK, buy signal here. All right, looks really good to break resistance. We do have sellers here, and we'll actually count here. So here, 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 and here we are here. Buy signal here. All right, looking to test resistance here. I would look at a smaller time frame, perhaps the 240. If you're trading it on the daily, 240, just to make sure buyers are in control. All right, even a 60-minute, make sure buyers in control as you reach resistance, hopefully breakthrough. Okay, good trade going here, good support and resistance. So hopefully it tries to get out of this box here. Okay, dollar and okay. And again, the dollar pair, the dollar index is helping, okay, right now. USD SEK, good support down here. Choppy trading, though. Resistance is right here. Two resistance levels here and here. It's gotten past the first resistance level. So buy signal here, gotten past resistance. Looks good, right? Higher lows, all right? Heading to that resistance here. Okay, if you're trading in on the daily, bring in 240, 60. Make sure buyers are in control as you get to resistance here because sellers are sitting here. All right. And lots of sellers. Look at that. Big candle here. Look at that. Lots of selling here. So this area here, right, 1110 right here, that's a big area. All right, but it looks good. Watch your smaller time frames. Not too small because this on the daily. So at a minimum, 60 minute. Okay, 1 hour time frame. Okay. All right. USD SEK. We did NOK. All right. And SGD. All right. So SGD, USD, SGD. Buy signal here on a break of resistance here. Really tough resistance. Look at this, guys. Tough resistance here, here, here. Look at that, right? All those sellers are sitting here. Even here, all right? Even here, all that selling and got past so far, getting past resistance here. Buy signal here, a pullback, trading nicely. Big candles too. Nice, big, healthy candles. And we've got resistance right up here. Okay. All right, so right up here, if you can get past this area, next resistance right up here. So USD, SGD, right, lots of consolidation in here, but boy, it's fighting its way out of that area here, okay? All right, and a good target right up here. Okay, so get past this area all the way up here. USD SGD. All right. Let's take a quick look at equities, see how they held up today. So Stock Boss and Bull Master, those stocks were all down today. So let's see. And these are energy stocks. So if energy, basic materials are down, that's not good for the market. All right. So Stock Boss, CZK. All right. Buy signal here. Good markdown phase. All right. Sellers are up here. Our target is here. Buy signal. It's holding a bit of a pullback here, but holding. All right. IMPP. All right. That held today. All right. Buy signal here. Retrace, but holding. Big candles came in. All right. ORGN. ORGN. I think, Anthony, this is yours here. All right. Buy signal here, retraced, held support here. Big candles came in today. Okay, look at that. Okay, so ORGN, good target all the way up here. This is a cheap stock too. Trading at, what's that, 80 cents today. Target at around $455. Okay. Pump, let's see what Pump did today. All right, Pump pull back a bit, but still holding. All right, good markdown phase, buy signal, first target all the way up here. All right, SSRM, that's holding also. Okay, buy signal here, holding. We need buyers to get past resistance here. Really good markdown phase, gap down here. All right, so just holding, and all of these are basic materials and energy. Okay, that's the only sector we might have a chance in with equities right now. Good markdown phase for VTNR, so good discount. Okay, these markdown phases, guys, those are discounts. All right, so the price started all the way up here at $17, $18. All right, buy signal came in at 160, $1.60, $1.74. Trading right now at $1.30, and it's holding. Come on now, we just need buyers to come in. Right, green candles holding, consolidating, neutral. These white candles need buyers to come on in, get past this area here, and keep moving higher. Target, all right, all the way. Hold on. All right, target all the way up here. Okay. All right, but you might find some resistance here and in this area here. All right, that's Stock Boss, Bull Master. JXN, buy signal here. That's holding firm in the markup phase. Let's move this. And we'll take a look at Monster Scalper next. No equities today. All right, so that's holding firm there. JXN. HCC, buy signal here. That's holding. All right. WFRD, that's energy also. Buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. Just keep an eye on this one. Okay. Let's do this. So it's back below resistance. Okay. So that is a concern. All right. It's a reaccumulation trade. So it might be overbought, guys. So here was the, from here to here, just keep an eye on it. All right. Here is support right here. And that's decent support. Here is resistance. It's back in here. All right. We need that trade to stay above resistance. So it's back in here. All right. Hopefully it's just, pulling back before it moves higher again. So keep an eye on it. Okay. That's all the stocks we've got. All right. So, and we shouldn't be heavy in stocks. Not right now. All right. Sell in May and go away. All right. If that selling comes in heavy, all right, we shouldn't be surprised. Our experienced traders, you know who you are. You can, perhaps look at puts. All right. Before I forget, um, our US 30 traders. All right. Now, we didn't send out an alert on this, but hopefully you guys caught some trade in here. Okay. Sell short signal came in here. All right. And it went right down to its target here. Okay. So if you guys caught this on the smaller time frame, this is on the 60-minute time frame, good job. But boy, um, you know, if it breaks through, we'll see. Currently, futures are down. If the market is down tomorrow, it could break through. We do have big support here. See on the daily right here, support here. So we'll see what the market does. I haven't looked at data news coming out in the morning, but this is a bit dangerous. Okay, so if you guys shorted it, all right, good job, but you might want to take profits. Okay, because this is what could happen. This is the last time it came to that support here. See what happened? Right? They pushed that price all the way back up, even here. All right. So here it is here. I wouldn't hope. Now it could break through this support here, but it is really extended. So if you guys got on, right, made some money, you might want to just take some profits and wait for the next setup. Okay. So it's holding here, support right here on the daily. Okay. It would be nice if it breaks through. Okay, but just be aware of that. Always want to be aware of where buyers are sitting and then where sellers are sitting. The NAS 100. All right, same thing, almost identical. It hasn't quite reached its support down here. Okay, but if you guys caught this is a great trade, and for the NAS US 30, that's a lot of money here. So if you guys caught these on the smaller time frame, like right here, all right, let's bring on the 60-minute. Good job. Okay, so if you caught it here, 30-minute, let's see here, 30-minute. All right, 30-minute, 15-minute. All right, even the 5-minute. Every time frame had some great trades. Short. Here's the 5-minute here. Good job, but just know very extended. Okay. Same thing for the S&P. Okay. All right, monster scalper, and we'll be done. So let's see if we can find some dollar long trades and hope the dollar index breaks out. That dollar long trade has been a struggle. So let's see here. All right, so we're starting to get some blue in here. Let's see. So reaccumulation. Now it's trading well, decent. All right, so which one is this one? USD SGD, USD SGD. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Here we are, buy signal here, right? Breaking resistance. Okay, so we'll add this one. USD SGD long in monster scalper. Okay. All right, buy signal here, breaking higher. Remember, we are up in that markup phase. That's reaccumulation. This could easily turn distribution. Okay, so be careful. Wouldn't go heavy. All right, so buy signal here, moving higher. Lots of purple in here. So it's overbought. Okay, but we do need that dollar index to break out. Okay, if it breaks out, that will help. And again, the markets was down. Markets down today. So that will help the dollar. Okay. USD SGD. Let's see here. Nothing here, dollars. TRY, nothing here. All right. USD SEK. We might have something here with the dollar. Boy, I wish the dollar index breaks to the upside. All right. We haven't seen a nice move in the dollar pairs. Okay. Recently. Previous trades. Okay. Buy signal here. Bought here, sold here. All right. Bought here, sold here. Nice markup phase here. So this is reaccumulation. Okay. This one is setting up a bit, nicer. When you guys trade these, look at, you can't trade everything, but this trade here is very different. See all of that purple here, right? That's a lot of pressure. We overbought here. USD SGD, USD SEK. Look at here. We have yellow here. All right. So that's a green light. Okay. So if you had an option to trade, there's no guarantee, all right, on any of them. All right. But boy, a lot of purple in here. Look at that. Lots of consolidation in here. Here, right? Yellow support and resistance. And we have a purple here, but guess what? We're getting past that and we're moving higher. Okay. All right. So USD SEK. Long in monster scalper. Okay. And these are good buy signals, right? Good buy signals. USD SEK. Next one, USD PLN. Right. Wait for that buy signal. All right. Buy signal will come in right about there. Okay. All right. USD NOK. All right. Good one also. So our monster scalper traders, don't get too excited, but you guys might have a decent dollar trade finally. I mean, it's done well. The dollar's done well. All right, just this right here. That waiting here is what. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here. Nice price action, getting away from that resistance line here. All right, nice markup phase, and yellow support and resistance dominating the top here. That's good. USD and OK. But remember, we need the dollar index to keep on moving higher. That's the key. Okay. Nothing here. All right. Wait, a break of resistance. We could get a buy signal here. Nothing here yet. All right. USD DKK. Wait for a buy signal here. You will get that as it gets past resistance here. Okay. And here is your markup phase there. So close, if you're shorting the dollar, close those shorts. All right, because you might miss this opportunity to go long. Okay. So bought here, sold here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, waiting for a buy signal here. So the system is trading those dollar pairs fairly well. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right, let's see here. That's USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. No, dollar Swiss has been choppy recently in here. Good trade here, though, but very choppy in here. But we'll add it. Wouldn't be your first option here. Okay. But it does look good. Very choppy. A lot of resistance in here. Look at that. Struggle, struggle, struggle. But it is getting past resistance. Big candle here. Look at that. Big buyers came in today. That's a good sign. All right. Followed by, right, big candle here, 240. Big candle here, big candle here. All right. All right. Trying to get past resistance here. So USD, CHF. I am rooting for the dollar, all right, to move higher. Dollar CAD. All right, not bad here. All right, this is the last one, and let's see here. What am I doing? Hold on. I'm getting turned around here. Hold on. All right. So here is your markup phase here. Very choppy. All right. Lots of resistance right here, but it's gotten past that. But I'll just put so that you guys can see. All right. Lots of resistance here. So it got past that. This buy signal got past that resistance. Good trade here. And then here we are. Nice pullback. Nice retracement. All right. Buy signal broke resistance here. All right. All right. Really good resistance here. All right. Buy signal moving up here. Okay. USD CAD, dollar CAD. So we have how many? $5 pairs. All right. USD CAD. Long. In Monster Scalper. I'll take a look at Forex Dominator later. If we have any picks, I'll send those out. Okay. But good. Take a look. Keep an eye on the dollar CAD, dollar pairs. Find your spots. Okay. We'll keep an eye on the dollar index. If it breaks out, we'll let you guys know. So pound New Zealand, we're in. Pound dollar, I think we closed that, right? Pound dollar out. Pound SGD. Nothing there. Pound PLN. All right, so let's add pound PLN, okay? Pound PLN. So GBP, PLN. All right, we know the pound pairs are moving. All right, so resistance is here. All right, and we'll do this. A lot of resistance here. This could be good here because a lot of resistance here. Sellers are sitting here, and here it is getting past these sellers. And the pound pairs have been doing well last day or so. Okay, so buy signal here moving up. Let's see if we can find another one here. We haven't had a run in the pound pairs for a while, so hey, let's take advantage if they're moving. I win that one. Let's see. Swiss, pound Swiss, win pound Swiss. Pound CAD, win pound CAD. Pound Aussie, we're not in pound Aussie. What a dangerous trade. All right, look at that, guys. Oh, we'll let that go. Okay. I mean, it could make it to that resistance, but boy, look what it's got to get past, right? All right. Hey, you're welcome, David. Welcome, welcome. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good evening. The dollar. So yen pairs. Those yen pairs, keep an eye on those. They're holding firm, but they could come on down. Okay, so just keep an eye if you're trading them. Keep an eye on them. Pound pairs looks good, and then but the dollar. Okay, so we'll monitor the dollar index closely. And we'll let you guys know if it breaks through that resistance. If it breaks through that resistance, those dollar trades in Monster Scalper should break out. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Hey, listen, we've got opportunities, right? The Forex is moving. All right. So that's good. Okay. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.